goal seek under what if analysis. So a good example I can use to explain what if analysis, what goal seek under what if analysis does is, um, let's say we're running a company, right? And within that company, we've got an aim of how much we want to make at the end of the year in each and every quarter. So we can have our quarter one, or quarter two, or quarter three, and our quarter four. Now, let's say we want our total to be 1 million. So let's say our target at the end of the year as a company is to make 1 million. Um, let's say in our first quarter we made about that 100,000, and let's say we made that in our second quarter. That's 700,000. Is it? Yes, yeah, 700,000. Let's say in our third quarter we made about 20,000. Now let's say we are in our fourth quarter and we need to know how much we have to make in order to reach our target. So in order for us to do that, we can use goal seek under what if analysis. Oh, let's just do this. So we have to put a formula in the total there saying quarter one plus quarter two plus quarter three and plus quarter four, which is in cell D2. Yeah, so that's our total here. So let's say we want to know how much we need to make in our fourth quarter. We will go to what if analysis, go seek, then the cell that we're setting here is the cell that's blank. Then we're saying to value, um, oh, the set cell is actually the one with the formula. Then now to value, let's say we want it to be million. So set cell that to value 1 million. Our set cell and our to value by changing which cell. So it will have to change what's in quarter four to find how much we need to make in order to reach 1 million. So we'll click on OK, and the GOSIC under what if analysis automatically does the calculation for you to find how much you need to make in order to reach your target. And that's it about what if analysis.